We're about to have our first horse introduction. Hey, Lucy? He's coming on over to say hi. Good job. It's okay, honey. Yeah. Nice guy. He's a nice guy. Good. Good job, Penelope.